later on. Valenzuela retains possession. Floater is up and good from Jay Collado.
Now, we were talking about Jay Collado earlier.
Basilan steal. Bunch of veterans on the floor. Nakalusot si Puroy Kantimbuhan who lays it up and in.
You gotta credit that zoom action, that handoff.
Collado. Parang ganun lang din yung ginawa niya kanina.
Hindi ko siya matawag na floater. Hindi ko...
Settles for that one-on-one play against Kantimbuhan. Fading away. Wow! Challenged by Grimaldo but still. Wilson nakawala. Elbow jumper will rattle home.
Sobrang dali para kay John Wilson getting that screen ulit.
Forcing it up over John Wilson. And he puts it in. Ramirez. Balik kay Kantimbuhan. The floater is up and in.
You know, I saw a lot of point guards on the side of Basilan. I'm more...
Grimaldo on the Kantimbuhan on the other end. The layup is good over Jay Collado.
There were 3 white shirts that tried to get a basket against Jason Grimaldo.
Collado off the bounce. Pangatlong sunod na yan.
Speed will always be to be its advantage.
Welcome to the MPBL. JV Casio.
Simple backdoor cut, a give and go, but JV Casio able to find that space. No help coming from Collado. Too easy for JV Casio.
We have a game brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sports book of the MPBL. Perfectly executed play for Basilan as we have a timeout with 3:44 left.
The veteran-laden team.
Hoy! Lumusot si Gab Cometa, splitting the defense and laying it up and in.
It's the same problem. It's really the help side.
Collado, one-on-one against Jervy Cruz. Forcing it up. It will roll through. Collado with 8 points.
It's this.
Wilson off the bounce, the hesitation and the layup. What about that for John Wilson?
Talk about MPBL veteran. First 12 minutes, he's still here.
Wilson rising up for the jumper, short. Got back his own miss. Aba, piniktusan pa.
9-point talent in a different role, but John Wilson is still John Wilson.
Pasa kay Junel Bausod. Wilson is feeling it. Naiwanang libre. And he makes them pay with another 3-point bomb.
John Wilson is in the name is John Wilson. They left him open. He's red hot. This is not even a heat check. This is more than a heat check. John Wilson has 15 of the 20.
Has caught fire. And Basilan has a colorful stint in the PBA. 1 out of 2. Timbuhan breaks the press. Attacks, no. Bauzon, nobody boxing him out. And he scores off Alanes. Alanes, the in and out dribble. Puts it in. Getting past John Wilson for the basket.
Him alive, all of the points of Valenzuela coming from Shaq.
Fast break the game brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sports book of the MPBL. Dito mo yung in and out dribble doon. Nawala sa eksena si John Wilson.
Ika nga nila.
Basilan up by 11. Backdoor cut. John Wilson hops into the lane. What a shot and move from John Wilson.
Oh, these door perfect find coming from Bobby Balocanag.
Sidestep beauty from Shaq Alanes. It's been a duel. Naagaw though ni Shaq Alanes. Same move and same result. Shaq Alanes.
Ramirez.
Wilson, reverse layup. Wow, 17. Still a lot of time left here in his period. How about Shaq Alanes not taking.
11 for Alanes and 17 for John Wilson in this quarter. 12, make it 12 for Shaq Alanes.
37-27. Ahead, Alanes. Whoa, what a find. Alano, right place. Quickly, Rios dumps it off. Back-to-back baskets for Justin Alano.
You know, for a big man.
Alanes, dapat kay Marcos. Shaq Alanes just has a knack. Second free throw for Shaq. Gets that one to trickle in.
5 out of 8 for...
Thought about it, puts it on the deck. Balik kay Robin Ronyo. At nakabutas na finally from downtown.
Get a stop.
2:30 left. JV Casio nails his first triple here in the M. Casio the rebound. Pasa kay Wilson. Yes!
He's not done in this quarter. You see the respect of Valenzuela is.
Robinson, binawi naman yung tres. Casio takes the three and makes it back-to-back triples for the King Archer, JV Casio. Daniel, balik kay John. Miles. Two-man game between Miles Canyal and John Wilson. Result.
Make his free throws.
Yun ang tanong. Dapat
Ayun.
mag-play. Dapat
Nagmimintis eh. Kaya can he make his free throws? Kita mo na.
Kate Pamaradlo. Baseline drive. That's a strong move. 30 seconds left. JV Casio goes for two. For the two. For one. And wow. Tatlong test. Basilan has a chance to open up a big lead.
Watch this again. You go under against JV Casio. Just a little space needed for him.
2 rebounds, 2 assists. Canyal hitting his free throws. And that's gonna do it. A strong finish to the first half for the line earlier. But Basilan picked it up and now lead by 17. Rebound picked up by John Wilson, pitching it ahead. Ramirez malakas. Nandoon si Miles Canyal for the putback.
Miles has been quiet.
41, Canyal attacks. Dumukot pa. Miles Canyal with 10 points and 6 rebounds. Finding a crease in the defense, laying it up and in.
That was a hard move. That was easy going left. Now he goes middle for that layup. But on the other end, Cometa also showing that he can do.
Having gone through the UAP, BBA even in Estong Ballesteros. Meanwhile, Gab Cometa swishes in a jumper.
that stop. Everyone playing para dito sa Valenzuela.
Cometa putting some art to that three, and that is good. Gabco may fountain of youth even. Jervy Cruz wants to join the party. No, but there to clean it up was Robin Ronyo.
Quietly rounds. The guard is getting a lot of boards in this ball game. Pero hirap na naman nun para kay Shaq Alanes.
Shaq Alanes. 1 out of 2. Boards, 4 dimes for Shaq. Cometa. Umiinit na. The comment from Cebu. Waxing hot here in the third.
Then Casio enters the picture. Now Cometa enters the picture as well. But Chauca is not done as well.
Binawi naman yung tres. And then ran into Davao Occidental. Umabot ng game 3. Unfortunately, COVID-19 happened. Hindi na sila totally nakalaro nung bubble because of good news for Basilan. They're still in full control of this match. But Val Chauca with an acrobatic finish.
Opportunities yet para dito sa Basilan.
Three-pointer is good for Robin Ronyo. Buyes ahead. Pass from Coliano. He will lay it up and in.
A lot of hesitation on the side of Ramirez. He didn't know, can I...
Last year na ikwento niya na despite being in a weaker team, ginagalingan daw niya with a goal of landing on a better situation this season. And true enough, goal accomplished naman daw.
And more importantly, the three-pointer of Shaq Alanes will not count.
Potential 5-point swing. Ayun. From what I've heard, he's actually done pretty well from the free throw line.
Miles, pero wag muna natin magatin. Sabi nga natin, reverse psychology. Can he make the second? Oh!
Absolutely. And considering he gets fouled a lot, as here he is, he puts it back up and in for 14 points and
It's really a well-oiled offense with a lot of options.
Val Chauca.
Dito kay Gab Cometa, and he's made 4 of those in this ball game. They have not adjusted.
Tres ulit. Galing naman kay Shaq Alanes.
Medyo mag-iiba ang tono ng laro to.
Goleado finally drills in a three-pointer. Lead is na ulit yung kanyang role sa opensa. Here he is receiving that pass from Gab Cometa. A total of 27 points. Talented laden South Division. Alanes not yet done. Earning himself 2
For Shaq Alanes.
Last season, the most number of free throws he had was 13 and made all of them. 13 from last year. Can eclipse that if he makes this one, and he does. 29 points.
John Wilson.
Pitch ahead, Shaq Alanes. Siya pa ang makakauna na maka 30 points. Cometa, laban kay Chauca. Pocket pass, Grimaldo. Signature one-hander kay Jason.
It's a good pass coming from...
But the Basilan Steel emerging victorious here. Di pa tapos ha, 4.4 seconds.
Tinuloy na lang.
And they will just burn the time off our game clock, and that's gonna do it. Basilan Steel pick up their first victory of the season.
With 11 and Cometa with 19. Those 4 guys really proved the difference. But in the end, it's John Wilson who will be getting our Player of the Game honors.
Best player of the game brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sports book of the MPBL. John Wilson. And really great performance for him. 27 points, 7 rebounds. Former MVP with 3 triples as well. And helping the Basilan Steel open their season on a high note. 99-86.
John, first game in a Basilan jersey pero grabeng impact kaagad. How does it feel na para bang ni-remind mo kaming lahat of all your MPBL achievements at ngayon nasa peak form ka ulit?
Wala namang pinagbago sa akin. Still, extra workout, extra shooting. So, ano lang, be prepared.
And you prove na nung naset na ninyo ni JV Casio yung pace sa second quarter, sumunod na din lahat ng teammates nyo. The question now is, how will you guys be able to sustain that hanggang sa final buzzer for the following games?
Yun ang sinabi ko sa start na game, then second half. Stay composed kasi nga, bago yung team, bago kami sa isa't isa. Kaya lagi namin nagre sa practice na always talk, communication para madala namin sa game.
And shout out din of course to the John Wilson too, na kasama niya ngayong gabi. John, meron ka pa bang mga gustong pasalamatan?
Una-una nagpapasalamat kay Lord sa panalong binigyan namin. Siyempre sa anak ko nanonood, kay John Wilson Jr., kay Lelus Jana, kay ate, sa wife ko nanonood, yung family namin nasa New Zealand, si Mama Papa, si Ate Jack, si Ate Jen, kay Boss Roland, kay Boss Alvin Torno, sa mga Basileños, sa mga bosses, coaching staff, credit sila sa mga teammates ko. And then sa SNC ko, kay Coach Diego, thank you always, Coach Diego. Then sa Perez ko na sa Binawana Rizal, lagi nakasuporta. At sa mga kumpare ko, sa Team Chrysler. Yun, sa mga hindi ko nabati. Yun, binabati ko kayo lahat.
Basilan is indeed back and better. Congratulations, John Wilson of the Basilan Steel.